Hey guys, we're gonna jump straight into this video. What I'm gonna be making for myself this morning for breakfast is a breakfast smoothie. It's a fruit smoothie. I'm really hungry. I really don't feel like making anything solid or actually standing in front of the stove cooking a big breakfast. So the next best thing is a smoothie. It's very healthy and it actually keeps me full throughout lunch. So that's why I decided to make this morning. During these times that we have these quarantine times. So I have more time to actually make a smoothie. And smoothies don't take a long time to make if you kind of just go with the flow. That's what I do. I don't measure anything. I just kind of go with the flow and mix together what I would like to eat. I usually start off my smoothies with a base, either kale or spinach. I love spinach, so that's what I'm going to use today. And I freeze my spinach so it lasts longer for my smoothies. So you guys are going to see me pull out the spinach here, and as you can see, if you guys can see, it's frozen. So I don't measure out my ingredients. I just kind of know how much I need and what it would taste like. So I just grab a handful of spinach and dump it in the blender. And I don't have a special kind of blender. It's not a Vitamix or a Ninja. It's just a plain, I think it's Braun blender that I use, and it works perfectly fine. It does just about the same things besides making like soup or whatever that those other high class expensive blenders make, but it works fine. As long as it can make a smoothie for me, that's my kind of blender. That's all I care about. Next, what I'm going to grab is my I like to use a little fruit juice in my smoothies. Not a lot. I will dilute it with water, but just enough for a little added taste. I don't like to make it, once you start making it with a sugary drink, it defeats the purpose of it being a healthy smoothie. Next, what I'm going to bring out, I'm going to bring water here at my bottle of water that I'm pouring in. So like I said, I diluted the juice, so it's kind of like I don't really have the juice. And I'm making 2 smoothies today, as you guys can see from the 2 blender cups that I'm rinsing out there. One for me and one for my significant other. Just rinsing those blender cups out. Other than that, I hope you guys are doing well, staying healthy during the quarantine times, whether you're self-quarantine or you're in a state where they just lock down everything. So I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy and practicing social distancing and overall cleanliness, which everyone should, but hey. I just added frozen blueberries. I typically like frozen fruits when I'm doing something quick. I use fresh fruits when I just have a little more time. But this time I decided to use my frozen fruits. I use frozen blueberries, frozen mango chunks, which you guys will see me cut here, and frozen strawberries and bananas. I'm going to show all of the packages that I use at the end of this video here. But like I was saying, I hope you guys are staying safe, staying cleanly, and just have faith and be positive. Of course, no one wants to be at home all the freaking time. It will get boring, but take this time out to self-reflect, self-reevaluate or evaluate, and just clean and read books and take on new hobbies that otherwise you wouldn't be able to do because you'll be at work 8 hours or however many hours a day that you work. So take this time to actually, get yourself together, whether you want to organize your life more or exercise more or pray more or, catch up on some shows. Take that time to do it. We have our healthcare workers fighting every day to save people's lives with what's going on. So let's just be thankful and grateful for the time that we do have, being at home and, getting things done. Right here, I'm adding a weight loss shake. Well, it is a weight loss shake mix, aka meal replacement mix. And then I add peanut butter. I love peanut butter. I add peanut butter to just about every smoothie that I make. It just gives it a distinct taste. I love it. If you don't like peanut butter, you can probably use I believe almond butter, I believe it is, or almond peanut butter, something like that. Or you don't have to use anything at all, but I just love the distinct taste of peanut butter. Some added protein there to my shake. So like I said, it's not a special blender. I'm just gonna blend it up right now. It does have like a smoothie option that I will select after I break down the fruit chunks first. So like I was saying, I hope you guys really take this time out and just kind of take care of things that you guys want to take care of, or because I know I've organized my whole house. I've washed everything, cleaned walls, baseboards, everything. Literally, this is the first time I actually really got the spring clean at the start of spring in a very long time. I'm getting studying done, focusing a lot more on my workouts, and actually doing different types of workouts. Spending more time with my family, obviously, and just seeing things in a different light. So it's, of course, it's a crazy time. It's weird times. It's not good times for a lot of people, but I have to make best of, this situation. You guys have to try to make best of the situation for what it is. And like I said, just have faith and pray, and, things will be all right. It's always a light at the end of the tunnel. That's how you have to take it and think about it. So back to my smoothie right now. I just finished blending it. As you guys can see, the consistency is awesome. It's nice and thick how I like it. Like I said, the thicker the smoothie, to me, the fuller it makes me, and the longer, it keeps me full longer. So like my lunch is like definitely pushed back. And sometimes I just skip lunch overall and just go straight to dinner. So that's my mango chunks. And I got all of these ingredients from Walmart. That's my strawberry and banana blend, and my blueberries that I used in my smoothie today, and my peanut butter. I usually, sometimes I add ice chunks or yogurt. I didn't this time. Like I said, I want to make it real simple, not too complex with adding a whole bunch of ingredients. And then sometimes adding a whole bunch of ingredients defeats the purpose of it all. So I'm just pouring in my smoothie, and that's gonna be our breakfast for this morning. Just want to do a quick little video for you guys. I'm still gonna be bringing in more content. I got another video dropping after this, so you guys look out for it. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, turn on that your post notifications, click that bell, and stay tuned for the next video. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting me. If you have any other video ideas for me, please leave it in the comments below.